Welcome to another episode. In this episode, we'll see answer to the question: how can I overcome my inner fear? Question is: how can I overcome my inner fear? What is fear? Fear is always about future, the unknown. When there is pleasure, there is fear of losing it, and when there is pain, there is fear. Thought is the creator of the fear. Thought in itself is merely a tool for our existence. You give power to the thoughts. Once you understand this, use thoughts for your day-to-day activities as a tool. Give it its due place. Then fear is not fear. Let us see what Krishnamurti talks about fear. This is from his talks in Europe, 1967. In the pursuit of pleasure, there is fear, and we are burdened all our life with this dark thing called fear. Fear, sorrow, thought, violence, aggression, they are all interrelated. Therefore, in understanding one thing clearly, you understand beyond it. But when one can observe without the observer. When one can observe without the observer, that is the background, the ideological concepts, the memory, then space disappears altogether between people. And perhaps in that state there is no fear. There is only something called, verbally we can use that word, love. What breeds outward authority and also breeds fear? Because one wants to be certain, sure, secure. Thought always seeking from the past, its own security has created fear. Basically, we are seeking security, speaking psychologically. Security related to the past. I have had pain. I don't want pain. I have been happy. I must be happy in the future. I have had tremendous pleasure. There must be more pleasure. Thought, being old, only functions in the search for security. And if one observes in oneself closely, one sees that all the discontent which one has is turned into something poisonous contentment, which is security. Fear not only in life, the daily grind, the fear of not becoming, of not achieving physically, not becoming, not having power, position, prestige, fame, all this causes a great deal of fear, and one puts up with that fear. But also because of this inward fear, belief has become so important. Yoga, the science of living, Osho. Let us see what Osho says about fear. This is from this book, Yoga, the science of living. Fear is not going to help. Fear always means the fear of the unknown. Fear always means the fear of death. Fear always means the fear of being lost. But if you really want to be alive, you have to accept the possibility of being lost. You have to accept the insecurity of the unknown, the discomfort and inconvenience of the unfamiliar, the strange. That is the price one has to pay for the blessing that follows it. Nothing can be achieved without paying for it. You have to pay for it, otherwise you will remain fear paralyzed. Your whole life will be lost. Again, the fear is asking for guarantees, promises. Who is there to give you a guarantee? Who can be a guarantee for your life? You are asking for some sort of insurance. No, there is no possibility. In existence, nothing is insured. Nothing can be, and it is good. Otherwise, if existence is also insured, you will be already completely dead. Then the whole thrill of it, of being alive like a leaf, like a young leaf in the strong wind, will be lost. Life is beautiful because it is insecure. Life is beautiful because there is death. Life is beautiful because it can be missed. If you cannot miss it, everything is forced upon you. Then even life becomes an imprisonment. You will not be able to enjoy it. Even if you are ordered to be blissful, commanded to be free, then both bliss and freedom are gone. Will existence protect me when I allow myself to let go? try. Only one thing I can say to you. I am not talking to your fear. Remember. Only one thing I can say to you all. Those who have tried have found that it protects. But I am not talking to your fear. I am simply encouraging your adventure. That's all. I am persuading, seducing you toward adventure. I am not talking to your fear. All those who have tried have found that infinite is the ultimate protection. All those who have tried have found that infinite is the ultimate protection. With this, we will end the episode. Stay with me for another episode. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.